are Alok, Chetan, Rushikesh and Tanmay. Motivation is very important in our life. So tell today's motivational thought I would like to call my friend Tushar.
Good morning, friends. Today's thought. Your attitude determines your direction. Thank you, friends.
Thank you Tushar. English is a not hard language, but some word hard in this language. So tell today's hard word I would like to call my friend Alok.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड टुडेज हार्डवर्ड फर्स्ट गार्डियन्स म्हणजे मार्गदर्शक सेकंड एक्झॉस्टेड म्हणजे थकलेला थर्ड ओकेशन म्हणजे प्रसंग फोर्थ ॲडमायरेशन म्हणजे प्रशंसा फिफ्थ डिलिबरेट म्हणजे मुद्दाम थँक्यू फ्रेंड्स
Thank you Alok. Many studying happening around us. Some are aware, some are not aware. So tell today's news headline I would like to call my friend Rushikesh.
Good morning friend, today's news headline international news top business sports are updates. Second, Hindi learns in Delhi BJP councillor tells football coach from Africa. Third, sport news Shefali Verma 69 not out versus Sri Lanka in second T20I. Thank you friends.
Thank you Rushikesh. General knowledge of key of success. So tell today's GK quiz I would like to call my friend Tanmay.
Good morning friends, today's GK question. First, the longest PM of India. Answer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second, brain of computer CPU. Third, the tallest tower in India. Answer Qutub Minar. Thank you friends.
Thank you Tanmay. This assembly is last segment. This information. So I invite my friend Chetan to tell today's information about pollution.
Good morning, friend. I will tell some information about pollution. Pollution is a harmful our body. Pollution means the contaminated, the harmful air and their ecosystem is called as pollution. Pollution are three types. First, air pollution. Air pollution are contaminated, the harmful air like smoking gases, factory gases, vehicle gases. Second, water pollution. Water pollution are contaminated, the harmful water like garbage water, factory water, wastage water, etc. Third, air pollution. Air pollution are contaminated, the harmful air, soil like wasted soil, humus soil. Thank you.
Thank you Chetan. Thank you friend listening to today's assembly. Have a wonderful day.